Okay guys, gusto kong pag-usapan yung isang legit loan platform because alam niyo naman, sa panahon ngayon, the government is cracking down on illegal online lending platforms, so mas masarap pag-usapan yung legit. This time, I want to talk about this loan app na has been my favorite ever since na-approve ako or nagkaroon ako ng ganito and has been my go-to kapag may kailangan. And nagulat ako guys nung last ko siyang sinilip, nag-offer siya ng lower interest rate pero pa-promo. I'm not saying it's bad, I'm not saying it's good though, pero gusto ko siyang pag-usapan because this loan app being, aside from being legit, at meron siyang admin fee na 1% na naman yung ibabawas niya, it's also working sa labas ng Pilipinas. Reliable po siya sa Taiwan, na-try ko rin siya sa South Korea, and sa Japan. And with maximum credit limit na pwede niyong ipahiram, like 100,000 pesos, and pwede siyang bayaran monthly, I think this is a loan app na pwede pang OFW. Siyempre, merong conditions that apply. So in this video, let's talk about S-Loan. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red here. And of course, OLA po yung pinag-uusapan natin. And please take note that this video is based on my personal experience. And also, please be aware na sa Pilipinas po ako naka-base. Limited lang po yung alam ko sa mga online loan platforms na work outside the Philippines and applicable sa OFW. Pero kung meron akong nasagip na balita, then of course, I'd be happy to share. But yung share ko ngayon is just based on my experience and confirm mga dzay na nakapag-loan or naka-claim ako ng loan dito kay S-Loan, which is a legit platform, pautangan platform na available through the Shopee app.
So, napasilip ako sa Shopee ko kahapon kasi nakasanayan na eh. And then, nagulat ako na may offer si Shopee dun sa S-Loan niya na lower fees daw from 4.95 per month. Ginawa niyang 4.45. Special offer. Kaya, syempre, napatry din ako. Nag-work siya dito sa Seoul, Korea. Pero may rin pala ha. Iba rin yung pakulo nitong decreased fees na to ha. Dahil available lang siya kapag 6 months and up yung term na pipiliin mo. So makakatipid ka daw sa interest pero babawi naman siya sa number of months. So mapapamahal ka pa rin sa interest nito. Anyways, the point is, nag-work po siya dito sa bansang to. So yun, at 5 minutes lang, nag-pin lang ako, kagad doon siya natanggap.
Buyers and sellers pwedeng mag-S-Loan. And you can get a credit limit of up to 100,000 pesos. But it depends on the system kung magkano yung magiging initial credit limit mo after meeting conditions. Like, okay yung credit history mo, verified or upgraded yung SPay or Shopee accounts nyo. 495, now it's down to 445, yun yung sabi niya. And of course, hindi naman siya masyadong malaki yung binaba niya, but granting na it's a it's a reduction in interest, diba? Why not? So I got curious, sinubukan ko siya while I was there, and wala, natanggap ko po yung loan mga guys. Immediate, pero syempre, meron siyang admin fee, same lang when I tried it in Taiwan, and then in Japan, and then in South Korea. It is confirmed na yung product na to is working in certain areas. And yun lang yung mga ko-confirm ko as of now. And for the information of everyone, I was using my Philippine SIM. See, aside from S-Loan, meron din tayong SPay Later. And by the way, guys, this is my main phone, which is an iPhone 17 Pro. And kung gusto nyo, kasi may mga nagsasabi, sana all naka-iPhone 17, hindi kayo mapapasana all if meron kayong SPay Later or S-Loan. Dahil with that, you can buy an iPhone 17 on installment. Maglalagay ako ng product link dito. Of course, this is not sponsored. Hindi ko rin siya hina-hard sell, but then I get a little commission if you check out through the link that I have provided. Anyways, going back dito sa kay S-Loan. So, ayun nga guys, meron ako, kasi gamit na gamit ko si S-Loan, kaya at the time of making this video, yung nasa, ko lang is 11,900. And meron siyang special rate. Pero, na-offer lang siya sa certain terms. Hindi po siya available sa, say for example, magti 3 months ka, hindi siya applicable. So, say for example, sinagad ko yung 11,900 and magti 3 months ako, dun ako sa regular rate niya, which is 495. And, well, kahit na nasa regular rate siya, but the sooner you pay your loan, nakakatipid naman sa interest. So, Shopee ha, alam ko yung ginagawa mo dito, pa-promo-promo ka dyan. But if you think that this works sa budget nyo, kasi hindi no, kayo naman yung magpaplano kung how this is gonna be, this is going to apply sa inyong situation, then siguro if paying the loan sa longer terms works for you, then yung reduced rates maybe an advantage para sa inyo. So, say for example, dun ka sa 11,900 and then babayaran mo siya sa loob ng 12 months, eh di syempre, mas mababa. Magiging 1,521.23. Pero take note that with 4.45 na monthly interest is 529.56 and multiply that to 12. That is why mas mahal kapag mas mahaba yung term. Napapamahal ka sa interest. So guys, choose the term na you're comfortable with and pinaka-best para sa situation nyo. Siyempre, wala naman tayong judgment dito. Kayo pong nagde-decision yan. And to further bring down your monthly payments, you can also uncheck the loan protection if sure kayo na mababayaran nyo siya every month. So, pwede ding 9 months, pero depende yan kay system kasi dito, dun ko siya na-notice na yung 445 applicable lang sa 6 and longer. Meron pa siyang minimum, guys. Normally, yung minimum niya is nasa 500 lang naman. Pero bakit dito, siguro to avail of this, promo, yung minimum niya is 2,005. Yun yung sabi niya. Yung tinry ko, and yung ginawa ko, dun po ako sa 6 months. Kasi if I choose 3, wala po siyang discount sa interest. So, I did the 6 months, magpipin, and then kaagad ko natanggap. Meron lang siyang admin fee na 1%, which is 25 pesos, is 1% of 2,500. So, yung natanggap ko is 2,475 na kaagad naman credited sa aking Shopee Pay or S-Pay wallet. Nung natanggap ko na siya sa Shopee Pay wallet, guys, nilipat ko siya sa Maribank dahil Maribank, yung card ni Maribank also works. Like any regular debit card outside, but you get perks and you get cashback, points, plus whatever yung hindi mo nagamit and it just stays on your deposit dun sa Maribank, it earns a daily interest. I like Maribank. So, yeah, S-Loan is a good platform because affordable yun yung interest niya and hindi siya nanghaharas, hindi siya makulit, pero strict po siya. So, if you have an S-Loan account, kailangan you pay it on time kasi baka sa sobrang niyang strict, baka isang beses ka lang ma-overdue, ma-freeze na siya. Tapos may 5% pa siyang penalty sa outstanding. Also, masyado siyang strict na every year yata nagpapa-update siya. Nagpapa-update siya ng account, like making sure that you still have updated information dun sa sinabit mo sa kanya, sa system niya. So yun, S-Loan is one of my favorite loan platforms and that's all that I can share for now. I'll make another video if I have more updates para sa inyo. So, see you on my next vlog.